Drink this juice for 7 days and your belly fat will disappear quickly. If you are one of those that is constantly struggling to burn stubborn fat on the belly, then this amazing juice recipe will be your savior. It can help you lose up to 5 kilograms excess weight, mostly in your belly area. Best of all, you can prepare it by yourself at home. Its ingredients are cheap and you can buy them in any store or market. The first ingredient is orange. Oranges not only have zero fat, low in calories, but are also known as a rich source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps metabolize fat faster, making it great for weight loss. Vitamin C also helps to reduce the level of cortisol in our body. Cortisol is a hormone released in response to stress. This is key to losing belly fat, as research has found that elevated cortisol is associated with significantly higher amounts of belly fat. Apart from aiding weight loss, oranges can support your health in a variety of ways, from reducing the risk of cancer and heart disease to promoting clear and healthy skin. Now, take an orange and peel it. Then, cut the orange into small pieces and remove the seeds. Put the orange pieces into a blender. Next, you need to prepare ginger. Ginger can help to suppress your appetite, keep you feel full, and ultimately reduce your overall daily calorie intake. Additionally, ginger can improve your digestion by increasing the pH of your stomach and stimulating your digestive enzymes. It can also relax the smooth muscle in the lining of your gut and move food along throughout your system. When everything moves more smoothly and efficiently, you will lose weight more easily. Now, cut a 1-inch piece of ginger into slices. Then, put the ginger into the blender. Next, add 300 milliliters of water. Run the blender and blend until the ingredients are pureed. Pour the mixture into a strainer and strain the juice. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of honey into the juice and stir well. Although sweeteners are not generally considered diet foods, honey might be an exception. Many of us tend to overeat throughout the day, which leads to weight gain. Honey has the ability to suppress the appetite, so you feel full for a longer duration of time. Honey can also assist you to set weight while you sleep. Just eating 1 spoon of honey before going to bed will aid in better liver functioning and increase the fat-burning metabolism. However, you should go for unfiltered raw honey, which works better for weight loss. Before consuming, keep the juice in the fridge for 20 minutes, then drink it. Regularly drink this juice 2 or 3 times per week, and you will quickly lose belly fat.